Hey traders! Today, I am going to show you one of the easiest strategies for any market ever. If you follow my channel, you might have noticed that I prefer all types of trading strategy. I still try to share some strategies with you. I try to explain every strategy as I am explaining it to a very beginner. But it might get confusing sometimes, if you are a new beginner. But don't worry, the strategy that I am going to show you today is really easy, and yet it is still profitable. I hope that after the video you will be able to test it out yourself. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more trading strategy videos. It keeps me motivated to upload more content. This strategy is fit for scalpers and intraday traders, and also for short, mid and long-term trader, is to change the time frame into a monthly chart. I am looking at the monthly chart of XAU-USD. This type of trend line here I am not going to use. Only some basic things which can give you a best setup for finding the support and resistance level. Let's start with basic. Check the free tops and rejection area and mark the points. Here we can see first two candle rejections and multiple bottom kisses. Here also same thing happen with this monthly chart. For basic idea we just marked the upper channel where 3 to 4 candles consolidate at that same area. Also mark some lower bottom level for reference. Changing the time frame to weekly. More candle means more specific levels. Let's find out the levels. Here are more bottom kissing area. Now changing the time frame to daily. Let's find some level at this current range. Multiple lower side is here. Now 4 hours chart. This is most important time frame for any forex trading. Some bottom and top area which are related to each other. But always need a precious findings to generate the level which can help your next trading. Just check out the areas. Low. Low wicks. Low. Low, and draw the area. Here also same. Top rejection. Low. Low. Top. Top. And top breakout. Now 1 hour chart. Here also some area. Top rejection, top rejection, top rejection, and top rejection, and lastly top rejection. Some break put also there. Here we can draw the area, but here is very much unstable area which is not justified. No proper top and bottom identified. Just found two bottoms and extended for little reference. Here two bottom low is main point if it act as resistance. Now check the price point area. This price range of point is enough for understanding the support and resistance level. Some lower points is markable because of bottom kissing area. Now 30-minute and 15-minute chart showing some extra power against the earlier naked chart. In this way we can generate the support and resistance area or level, which will work definitely because majority of the trader watch the same picture. And if you want to learn more about, then you can leave a query on comment box. Thank you for watching this, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more trading strategy videos. It keeps me motivated to upload more content.